The next time your family gets together, and everyone's on their phones anyway, why not introduce them to some family history fun for young and old alike? Start by asking your family members to download the free Ancestry mobile app. Once they've done that, share your Ancestry family tree with them. That's free too. Now, at your next family get-together, try one of these ideas. Look through the tree for photos of family past and present and play a round of who looks the most like who. Give everyone 2 minutes to memorize the names of the couples in the tree, then make everyone put away their phones and play a game of memory matching up couples' names or photos. Create a scavenger hunt and send people into the family tree to find the answers. Assign each person an ancestor, set a 30-minute timer. Their task is to write a poem, sketch a picture, compose a dance that represents that ancestor or something about their life. And those are just the ideas off the top of my head. So the next time multiple generations of your family get together, celebrate your incredible family story with a little family history fun. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.